Right, okay, just run another gear contact pattern and where's this one there? You can now see that it's moved further down into more the centre of the tooth from being towards the inside, which is obviously closer to where we want it to be. So turn around so you can get a better shot of it. There you go. You can see now how it's a lot more, or it's getting closer to centre, which is sort of where we want it to be. So now I'll just double check again, and obviously on the back side it's closer. It's just have to check the backlash now because we're just a little bit closer to the top of the tooth, so I'll check the backlash, just make sure that's correct, and then we're somewhere near.